All right, today a user asked me to show him how to do some complex searching in Flex. The problem he was running into was he wanted to know when a particular vowel combination occurred. In Southeast Asian scripts, we often have vowels, diphthongs that wrap around a consonant. You see, this is an example of one here where the dotted circle represents any consonant that would go below that sara-i, the diacritic vowel. Well, you can't, if I were to copy paste this into Flex, this set, bring my Word document over here, and do filter for, come on. Turns up nothing. That's not what we want. We want to find the information. Well, it turns out that Flex allows you to search based on regular expression, and this opens up the option of using Unicode values. So I've already got on my notepad off screen, I have a string that'll work. Control-C, Control-V, and this is actually the Unicode value for that vowel set, whereas that circle dotted that we saw, I'll bring it over here, is being represented by that /W. The /W does not mean circle dotted. Rather, that /W means any word forming character or any character that is in a word. You can see that in this list here. So it's the 3 vowel set wrapped around the word, the /W. Hit OK. And now you can see in the filter, I have 10 words, and each one of them are different, and the consonant is different. You see here's the cha-chang, kakwat. Okay, but this does not serve up anything that has tone marks on it. For that, we'll need another slightly more complicated script. So I'm going to pull off my notepad off screen, go to filter for, replace what I have with something else, and you can see now that there's this bracket here. The bracket, if you click on the little arrow, says any one character in the set. So I've made a set of tone marks and tie. These are the Unicode values. So it should look for the first consonant or the first vowel, any word forming character, followed by the second consonant, the stacked diacritic one, the sara-i, followed by the tone marks, any of the 4, followed by the other consonant, the yal-yuk, or the vowel. So yal-yuk serving as a vowel. Hit the OK button. And now you can see I have served up 4 examples, and each one is the minimal pair is tone. So that is how you can use regex to find Unicode values, to find complex vowels sets in Southeast Asian languages. Okay, thank you. All right, since I created the last video, I learned something new. In the previous video, I showed you this string, which served up 10, this string served up 4 responses. This string served up 10 responses. If I use this bar, if I take the strings and put this bar between them, kind of combining them, I get 14 responses. That's because in the filter for regular expressions, you have alternation, so it's either or. So it's either one that matches the big string involving tone or one that matches the string that doesn't include tone, thus combining the 2. I thought that was worth tacking on to the end of the video.